Hey dolls, it's your girl. Well, I was going to say it's your girl Simply Amazing, but I guess it's your girl Yasheka. But hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do an updated cut crease. I haven't done a cut crease in years. And by the way, if you're hearing noise in my background, I'm sorry about that. There's a construction going on downstairs, so no one will hear in the background, but sorry about that in advance. But yeah, let's just jump right into this tutorial. So in today's video I'll be using the Juvia's Allure 3 eyeshadow palette, and I want to use all of the matte colors. I want to use these two. Today's focus is the eyes, so let me do my brow. And then so the brows are on, and I'm going to prep my eyelids with the Elf Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sun. And because this is a matte and it's opaque, I'm going to use this one just to use as a base for my eyelids before I put down the eyeshadow. Alright guys, so what's up? Coming from the voiceover. It's been a year since I've done this, oh my god. But anyways, I'm just blending out that concealer with a fluffy dense-ish brush, just so it's even, it's laid flat, and it's blended out perfectly. Then I'm going to go in with that cranberryish, burgundyish, brownish, like it has a more burgundy burnt tone to it, so I'm going to use that, and I'm going to put that in my crease, and I'm going to blend it a little bit above my crease. So I sped up this part here because I didn't want it to be too boring and drawn out. I just sped it up. It's just me basically placing colors and just blending it out. So now I'm going to take that orangish pink, and I'm going to use that and blend out the burgundy color we'll put down prior, because I want everything to be blended. I want everything to seep into the skin. I want everything to look nice. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. We're just blending the two colors, fusing it out so it kind of covers as one. So now I'm taking a clean fluffy brush, and I'm going to diffuse both colors because I don't want it to look harsh under the brows. I'm just still blending the two but fusing it out more. So now guys, going on into the cut crease. As I said in the beginning, I haven't done a cut crease in years. I haven't worn eyeshadow either. If I do, it's just like a one shot of blend out, blow out, and gone. But anywho, this cut crease was going fine until I just kept going up. I don't know if I wanted to go to the heavens or what, but I just kept going up. Now further along, you'll see where I actually messed up this cut crease, and I actually did it over, but I just never record doing it over. So here I'm just looking in the camera trying to make sure if everything is lining up from what I'm seeing in the mirror, because looking in the mirror, it never look right at all. I mean, I look on the camera and say, what if it look different? But as I can see right there, I messed up, and that's when I realized like, oh, I can't fix it. But I was still going. I was wondering why I was still going, but I was still going and knowing damn well I could fix it. But as you can see here, the shape is different. This is where I actually fixed the cut crease and came back. So now I'm going in with that pinkish, that baby pink shade, and I'm going to put that all over the lid where we just lay down the concealer. And I'm going in with a smaller detail brush so I can go closer to the line, keeping the line as crisp as possible. I'm not even gonna see the color on camera. Oh my god. So the same shade we put down in the crease, I'm going to use that and blend the pink shade and the burgundy shade together so it's seamless. As I say, I'm all about blending. Next eye off camera, I'm probably my face makeup, and then I'll come back. same colors that I use on the eyelid or the eyes. So I'm going to go underneath the lower lash line, and I'm going with this color and this color. So pretty much all I did here was use an angle brush and stamp the colors onto my lower lash line. Just stamp it on so I get proper pigment payoff, because I didn't put any concealer underneath there, so I wanted a proper pigment payoff, so everything look cohesive, everything look intertwined, and that's what I did there on both eyes. So yeah, I forgot to include it where I add on my lashes and my mascara, but that's pretty much it for the eyes, guys. Okay guys, that is it for today's tutorial. If you guys like this makeup, if you guys liked how everything turned out, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I'm definitely coming back slowly but surely. But subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram. Yeah, turn on the notification bell to be notified every time my girl uploads. And with that out of the way, I will you see this and this. Listen, the Maybelline Lasting Fix Matte Setting Spray and the Revlon Photo Ready. Ooh, the white one, the white primer, girl, smudge proof, water proof, cry proof. Listen, this your makeup don't move. Like, I forgot to tell you in the last video, and the other day I did my makeup and this was the combo, the primer and the setting spray. With my skills, of course, top it off. I mean, I tell me in the sun my makeup not move, sweat proof, it do not move. So if you don't want, you can try it out. You're supposed to get this from Amazon for about $25, and this for about $15 or $20. I don't know. If I can find it, I'll link it down below and you can go shop it if you don't want. But yeah, that is it for today's tutorial. If you guys actually enjoy this and love how this come out, me love how it come out, and everything just look snap. Oh, by the way, let me tell you what's on my lips. I'm wearing this Jordana, but I'm wearing this Jordana Pigment Shine lip. This Pigment Shine liquid, Pigment Shine liquid lip color or lip gloss in the shade Express Yourself. Okay, in the shade Express Yourself. So yeah guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's tutorial, and I do hope you guys enjoy it.